WEIBUILD Spraying Robot features full process digital coordination, enabling it to autonomously plan the optimal construction path. It provides real-time perception and analysis of the construction environment, offline simulation, and a 3D visualization interface for real-time monitoring of the robot's spraying path, application effects, and material estimation. Equipped with AI reinforcement learning algorithms, the robot detects collision risks and optimizes spraying paths. It can automatically identify structural elements such as beams, bay windows, entrance corridors, and passageways by precisely locating window positions. It minimizes material waste and predicts spraying coverage in advance, achieving a 96.31% coverage rate. After path planning, it generates a coverage heat map to visually demonstrate spraying effectiveness. Once the path is finalized, the robot enables one-click initiation for efficient, precise, and safe fully automated construction, ensuring high-quality results with minimal human intervention.